In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create bulleted and numbered lists in Adobe Acrobat. If you've got a PDF with plain paragraphs and you want to make them easier to scan, bullets and numbers can bring instant structure. I'll show you how to turn selected text into a bulleted list, choose a bullet style, then do the same for numbered lists. We'll keep it simple and clear so you can follow along in any recent version of Acrobat. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat and the PDF you want to edit. If this document is important, it's a good idea to work on a copy so you can experiment without worry. Once your file is open, identify the lines you want to convert into a list. For the best results, make sure each item sits on its own line. Now drag to highlight that block of text you want to turn into a bulleted list. If you can't select the words, the page might be a scan. In that case, run text recognition first so Acrobat can treat it as editable text. With the text highlighted, go to the top and click Edit. Depending on your layout, it may appear as Edit or Edit PDF, but the goal is to display the editing toolbar. You'll see options for formatting text. Click the bulleted list button to apply bullets to your selection. Immediately, Acrobat converts each line into a bullet point. To refine the look, choose a sample bullet style from the options that appear. This controls the shape and spacing of your bullets. If you need to adjust levels or spacing, use the indent controls on the same toolbar to nudge items in or out for clearer hierarchy. Now let's add a numbered list. Select the block of text you want to number, again ensuring each item is on a separate line. With that text highlighted, click the numbered list button in the editing toolbar. Acrobat will apply a default numbering format. To match your document style, choose a sample numbering style, whether you prefer 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, or Roman numerals. Acrobat keeps the sequence consistent and will automatically update numbers if you add or remove items. If you need substeps, adjust the indent to create nested levels, shift the indent back to return to the main level. If numbering doesn't appear as expected, double check that the selection includes only the lines you want to format. That's all you need to create clean, professional bullets and numbers in Acrobat. With just a few clicks, your PDF becomes easier to read and navigate. Thanks for watching, and enjoy polishing your documents with clear, organized lists.